Good evening, class. How are you? Class, it's VK Mishra from Vision T24. Class, today we are going to start a new topic, that is angles and triangles. So, this is very interesting topic, class. Do you know what is angle? Angle. Angle is a angle is the meeting point of two straight lines. It means when two straight lines meet at a point, they form angle. When two straight lines meet at a point, they form an angle. Suppose this is one straight line, right? And this is the another straight line. So whenever these they meet at this point, so at this point, suppose this A point, so at A point they form an angle, right? And these, suppose this is B point, this is ray A and this is C. So the name of your angle will be, and angle is denoted by this sign, and it will be known as angle ABC. The midpoint of this one denotes the angle. Suppose I have drawn a horizontal line ray and another vertical. So the meeting point of these one is this point. So suppose this is ray AB and this is BC. So this angle will be denoted by angle ABC. The midpoint, it denotes the exact angle, right? So class, how many type of angles are there? Do you know? If we talk about different types of angles, so there are three type of angles. Which one? Basically three types, but there are six types. Which one? First one is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Do you know by which unit it is measured? An angle is measured by degree. So degree is the unit by which an angle is measured. So acute angle, that is the angle below 90 degree. So the angle below 90 degree is called acute angle. And this angle is just like, it look like this one, this one, this one, yeah, this one. Means how much degree it is. Suppose this is 60 degree, this is 80 degree, this is 30 degree, and this one is 65 degree. So these angles, all of these angles are below 90 degree. So these are called acute angle, right? You can easily just estimate them. आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि these angles are below 90 degree, so these are acute angle. Correct? Understood? Okay. Now the second type of angle, that is right angle. Second type of angle is right angle. Right angle, that is exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree angle is right angle. This is also called perpendicular. Suppose there is a straight line here, and if I form an angle like this, so this is called 90 degree angle. And 90 degree angle is denoted by, suppose this is A, B, C. So you can say angle ABC equals 90 degree. So this is right angle. Clear? And this can be found by using this straight line, means sign is like that. Suppose this is A, B, C. So this is also angle A, B, C. So this is also 90 degree. It does not need कि आप base line पे बना रहे हो. It can be inverted also. But this sign will show that the angle is 90 degree. And 90 degree angle is called right angle class. Okay. Now the third type of angle which I am going to tell you, that is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle class? Do you know what is obtuse angle? The angle, the angle more than 90, more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Means the angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that will be obtuse angle. What type of angle will be there? Suppose this one is 100 degree, this one is 170 degree, this one is 150 degree, this one is 120 degree. So these angles, all these angles are known as obtuse angle, right? Have you understood? Bacha party, do you know what is obtuse angle? So the angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is called obtuse angle. And you can easily recognize them. आप इनको पहचान सकते हो. Now comes the fourth type of angle, that is called straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means that is exactly 180 degree. 180 degree angle is called straight angle, and this is just a straight line. At this point, suppose their angle is there, so this is 180 degree. Another angle if I draw, at this point, this will also be 180 degree. So 180 degree straight line is called straight angle, right? Now comes the fifth angle, that's it, reflex angle. Reflex angle. And the reflex angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So this type of angle is called reflex angle class. Okay, how it looks like, कैसा दिखता है ये? तो the angle which is this angle is reflex angle. This angle is reflex angle. Exterior angle. This is reflex angle. Suppose this one is 210 degree. This is also 215 degree. So that will be reflex angle. If I draw one more, so this is 330 degree. So these angles are reflex angle. Okay, so you can easily recognize them. And the last type of angle is sixth one, that will be called whole angle. That is called circle. And this angle is exactly how much? 360 degree. And 360 degree, that is called circle. Suppose there is an angle that is 360 degree, so this is called whole angle, yeah, circle. This is also called complete angle. Okay, class? So these all are types of angle. So how many types are there? First one is acute angle. Second is acute angle is less than 90 degree. Second is right angle, that is exactly 90 degree. Third is obtuse angle, that is more than 90 and less than 180. Fourth one is straight angle, that is exactly 180. Then after reflex angle, more than 180 and less than 360. And then after last one, whole angle या complete angle or circle, this is exactly 360 class. Okay, got it? Okay. Now let us take some exercise. I am just going to shape some figure and you have to tell the type of angle. You have to name them. So some shapes I have drawn. So what type of angles are these? You have to name them as well as you have to nominate them. First one, the type of angle, it is shown here. Yeah, how will you name it? Angle A, B, C. Angle A, B, C. B means midpoint, it shows the angle. What type of angle is this, class? That is acute angle. Right? Second one, angle P, this point is Q, and this one is R. What type of angle that is more than 180? That will be called reflex angle. Okay. Now the third one, this is angle STU. Angle S, the midpoint that will show the angle STU. And what type of angle is this? Obtuse angle. Okay. And this one is angle ABD. That is exactly 180 degree, and this is called straight angle. Okay. Now the next one, this one is angle LMN. That is exactly 90 degree. It is called right angle. Okay. Have you understood? I hope you understand the point. Now, let me take the next topic, next exercise. So, class, now let us move to the next topic, that is triangle. Triangle. Do you know what is triangle, bachcho? Triangle, as the name indicates, this is triangle. Tri means the meaning of tri, T-R-I. Tri means three. Angle means angle. If a shape has three angles, that will be called triangle, right? Angle, do you know? The meeting point of three sides. It means there will be how many sides? There will be three sides. How many angles? Three angles. And how many sides? Three sides. So that type of shape, this is called triangle. This is three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure. It means there will be three dimensions, and that sides that will meet at some point. So these are the three angles and these are the three sides. So such type of shape will be called triangle. It can be of any shape, किसी भी shape का हो सकता है. It can be right angle, it can be some obtuse angle. So this one is called triangle, right? So how many type of triangles are there? Do you know? Don't know? Okay, let me tell you. So type of triangle. Types of triangle. Types of triangle. So on the basis of sides, on the basis of sides, there are three types. Which one? First one is isosceles. Isosceles means they are having two sides equal. If a triangle has two sides equal, so that will be called isosceles triangle. Just like if this side is equal to this one, so this type of triangle will be called isosceles triangle. And the way we denote a triangle, that will be triangle ABC. So it will be having two sides equal, right? Suppose if this side is equal to this one, so this will also be isosceles triangle, right? Second one, scalene, scalene triangle. It means no sides equal, no sides equal. In isosceles triangle, two sides equal. In scalene triangle, there are no sides equal. Just like suppose this is 3 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this one is 9 centimeter. So that will be, yeah, this is 8 centimeter. So this one will be scalene triangle, right? Now the third type of triangle that will be called equilateral triangle. Number 3. Equilateral triangle. Do you know class what is equilateral triangle? The triangle having all the sides equal. That means all the three sides, all the three sides equal. If all the three sides equal, it means there will be three angles equal also. And each angle will be 60 degree because I will tell you the sum of interior angles of triangle that is 180 degree. So if all the angles are similar, so that will be 60, 60, 60. Right? How it will look like? कैसा दिखेगा ये? This sign shows all the sides equal. And this and this. These are the three angles. So that will be 60 degree, 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. So this is equilateral triangle, right? Understood? Okay. Let me move to the next time. Next type of triangle that will be on the basis of angles. So on the basis of angles, on the basis of angles, a triangle is how? First one that will be called acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. How will it look like? It can be acute angle means all the angles are less than 90 degree. जितने भी एंगल हैं, 3 angles are there and they all will be just less than 90 degree. Suppose equilateral triangle if I draw, this is equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60, 60 and 60. Suppose this is 70, this is 50, this will be 60 degree. So these are acute angle triangle, right? Now the second one is right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. Other two will be less than 90 degree. So this type of triangle will be right angle triangle. This will be 90 degree. Suppose this is 50 degree. This will be 40 degree. Okay. Now the third type of triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle will be obtuse angle triangle, that will be how much? One angle will be more than 90 degree. It means one angle is more than 90 degree. So this is more than 90 degree and these two are acute. Suppose this is 130 degree. This is 25 degree. This will also be 25 degree. Because the sum total is 180 degree. Right? Now question comes, what are the criteria that will decide कि triangle is possible or not? So for that we have certain uh, rules. So we have to look after them. What are the rules? Let us note down. So class, these are different type of triangles. Now the condition to form a triangle, that will be discussed in the next class. So it is all for today. Thank you so much. If you like the session, you like the video, and share it with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.